Hey friends, in this video you'll briefly see how I make my scented candles. First I clean my jars thoroughly. Then I cut and measure the wax. Then I boil it until it is completely melted. I measure and add the fragrance oil. Then I give it a good stir. Then I fill my wick candle jars to the fill line. The time it takes to cool into a solid state depends on the room temperature. Making candles makes me feel relaxed and happy. Comment below if you make candles too, or just say what creative skill you have that makes you feel relaxed. Once it reaches to the solid state, I remove the wick holders. And there you have it, my beautiful scented candles. Thanks for watching, guys.